why are nurses like the meanest people in the world? It's like, I'm a nurse. I'm a nurse of 12 years. And then just because I make content for nurses that show that nursing could be like your plan B, or that you should have a life outside of your job, people get mad at that. People were saying I'm belittling nursing and that I'm not advocating for my patients. Like, how would you even know that I do or don't do that from my content? Like, that just doesn't make sense. And then, to be honest, I wanted to like gaslight him a little bit and to figure out where he's really getting it, but then he was pretty much telling me his experience, saying he's like an ER nurse where he gets shit on all the time. Well, I get that you're mad. I get that your job's probably shit, but that's what my whole podcast is about. It's about figuring out places that you could work better. You might be happier. Maybe you're not happy. Maybe you shouldn't be an ER nurse, you know? Maybe you shouldn't be taking those extra shifts. Maybe you do need a passion project outside of work so that you could be happy. That's like my whole thing.